Hi everybody, happy Sunday. Well, it's 7:15 in the morning here in the UK, and I've been very busy on the UK-PINAY Facebook page. Guys, if you've not subscribed to us yet, please subscribe, give us a like, leave us a comment. You can follow us on Facebook. I'll put the link down here for the UK-PINAY Facebook page, and also well, we're on YouTube already, aren't we, guys? So anyway, Mrs. C is doing some ironing this morning. She's in the bedroom. I've been up since about 1:30 this morning because Mr. C has got very sneaky. I got a plan. So I thought to myself, we want to look after Sister Maurice and Brother Maurice, who are the sister and brother-in-law, where we are putting our Kubo, and they're really good people, guys. I mean, so kind, so nice, genuine family. We wanted to surprise Brother Maurice. It's his birthday in November, at the end of November, but I had a cunning plan, a very cunning plan. So I've been looking on Facebook Marketplace around the Conag region of the Philippines, looking for one of these things, which is a 200cc tuk-tuk. It's an Indian-made one. It's called the Bajaj RE. So one of these guys, 200cc gasoline petrol. I wanted to buy one, and I've made Brother Maurice think that we are buying it, that Ascension and myself are buying it, so we've got it to run around on when we go to the Philippines again. Guys, I've already got a brand new Honda ADV 160, this thing up here, which I bought last Christmas. I've ridden it for maybe a month and it's just been parked up. We don't need a Bajaj, we don't need it at all. So this morning, I got in contact with Tonton, who was a nice gentleman from Tabuk in the Philippines, and he had a beautiful bright yellow Badger for sale, and I bought it. So we sent Brother Maurice in the rain on the back of a motorcycle to collect it. He went and have a look at it, and he's paid the money, and he's currently bringing it home to his home in Conag, in Califog, in Conag. So he's currently driving home now, guys. I'll put the video up here for you to watch, and you'll see him picking it up. Now, Brother Maurice, in his head, in his mind, he's doing this for us because he's a very kind, hard-working brother-in-law. He works so hard. So he thinks he's buying this for us. We sent him the money, and he's paid him, and he's looked at it because he's very clever with machinery. He's currently driving it home. Yeah, here's the video, guys. Anyway, so later on, in an hour or two's time, Brother Maurice will get back home, and he's going to be driving Bumblebee. Obviously, we've had to call it something. We've called it Bumblebee. Actually, my goddaughter, my beautiful little goddaughter, Isai, she named it Bumblebee because it's yellow, and it's the same colour as her favourite dress. So she called it Bumblebee. We've already bought stickers for it, 100 little bee stickers, which I'm sure the kids are going to plaster all over it. We bought the signs, private use, family use, and we've got some name stickers saying Bumblebee with a picture of a bee for both sides of the badger. Maurice is going to kill me when he finds out that the kids are putting 100 little Bumblebee stickers all over his brand new Pride and Joy. Because what he doesn't know is when he gets home, we're going to video call him and we're going to tell him he might as well hang on to the keys and put everything in his name because we bought that for him. We bought that for him. That is Maurice's. That belongs to him, not to us. As I said, we've done that because Maurice is an outstanding brother-in-law. He's got the biggest heart. He's the hardest worker. He works away in the forest for maybe a month on, at one time to bring home food and money to put on the table for our sister-in-law Marisol and those two beautiful godchildren of ours. I've got nothing but respect for Maurice. And because they don't have a lot of money, guys, and Maurice works so hard, we thought we're going to do something to help them. Just like we did Brother Junior. You'll remember in a video a few months ago, we bought Brother Junior a tricycle. We had a custom-made tricycle, a brand new Kawasaki Baraka 175 motorcycle. We paid money to buy the shop of his sister, which they run, which is his now, his and his wife's. And he's got a brand new motorcycle and a sidecar. And we bought the line. Now the line, guys, it's like a taxi driver's license. It lasts a lifetime. It was very expensive. It was nearly as expensive as the motorcycle and sidecar itself. So we've done that for Junior. We want to do something for Marisol and Maurice now. So stand by, guys. I'm going to have a bit of a break, a few more cigarettes, more cups of coffee because it's too early for Stella. And then when Maurice turns up back at the house and the kids are getting all excited, we'll tell him that the badge is actually for him and we'll give him a nice surprise because that guy deserves it. So stand by, guys. Right, it looks like it's coming, guys, so let me just put this on screen record. Here we go. Here we are. You can see what we can see now. Look at this. There he is. Beep, beep.
Beep, 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 beep. I-record mo ang nalaimot kapsal ni. Anda ni Morrison.
Very smart, guys.
Oh, Dan. Ni, apay ngay, kastamot ton, datadagamot ton, ti mabidbidyaw.
I'll apologise for the video quality, but we are on Messenger. The children are going mad.
Nay, kay video ta naka-record ka. YouTube ka.
We have some very good guard dogs in the Philippines. Oh, look here.
Tit.
Beep, beep, beep. Hi, brother. Wow. The dogs are excited.
Hey, dati tinapay.
They got some food as well.
Nag-shopping pa yung gayam.
You got shopping.
Anya mo, Rice, okay lang?
Hi, Maurice.
Okay lang, Maurice.
Okay.
Okay lang titaray na?
Very good.
Okay.
Is that some rain? Yeah. I think he's got the hang of it. Oh, very nice. Helmet in the back.
Nalawa ta datang maji kanyada maka. This is more bigger this one than the
Click.
Mighty kulay na. Bumblebee nga road. Bumblebee. It's a very nice color.
Bright yellow.
Oh, wiper.
It's working well.
Kita man di side. Kita man di kwa sa. Oh. Stick. Oh, wow.
Wow.
See?
Very nice.
Very nice. May lati try na or Maurice, awan ti problema na. It's good running.
Yeah. Still got his lights on his ignition.
See? Very nice.
Very clean, very tidy.
May ataya.
Oh, he's put fuel in it.
Tigas na nga rodan, gasolina na.
That's one thing with brother Maurice. He always looks after us. Anything.
Kayam nga kabil di kwa na, di career na tangataw, ya? Data ne, dito ne, data kwa na metal na dita. Itoy.
Got the curtains. And we're going to order a roof rack for this as well. It's coming from Shopee.
Already order, eh?
Is it already ordered?
Yeah.
Okay. And some stickers.
In order ko dahil roof rack na, ni si kabil monton Maurice.
Very nice. Maricel, sister,
Kapsat.
can you put Maurice on the phone, please?
Maurice ka na, itid mo kini Maurice.
Try and talk to Maurice.
Oh, very nice.
That's beautiful.
Ipakita man ti ko na naglaw-law na. May taya, ti kulay na.
Very posh.
Kasla dagdakkel ti kita ng magic green. De, manay nga rin ti tao ta, di aglogan tayo de.
It saves running around on a Honda 125 now with an open sidecar. So,
Nato ni Maurice sound.
you got Maurice. Oh, Maurice, are you happy with this?
Nya ka na okay lang ka no datalugan. Tabadya.
But it's okay naman.
Okay. Are you happy?
Okay lang ka no kanyam.
Bakit eh?
It's alright ka no, it's okay.
Good. Because, brother, the Bajaj is yours. It belongs to you, not to me.
Kanyam ka na data, bardim ka na data nga nasapa.
It is your Bajaj. I want to say thank you, Salamat po, brother, for
Birthday gift nga
the help and the hard work and for the love. Thank you, Salamat. This is yours. This belongs to you, not to me.
Para kanyam data ka no. Nga para kanyame. Tambong para kanyame, para kanyam data.
You have now for the family safety and
Gagsangsangitan, gawsaan.
it's all yours, brother.
Papapabirthday na ka no nga nasapa.
And happy birthday early. You're very welcome.
Anyate ko nada di notary.
Yeah.
Eh, kung ako bigat eh. Ipan na to eh.
Ipan na, i-drive na.
Yeah.
Well,
Oo.
Ipan na to eh. Deliver na to ita para ka pasir siya ka.
Oh. Tonton gonna drop the notary tomorrow.
Okay. Okay. In Maurice Conag name.
Para nagan mo data para kanya yung data ka noon.
Yeah.
Pa-birthday na. Yan. Agagad ka pa eh. Tambong para kanyang data din ko.
Well, I think
Salamat di ko ate pinasingput mo.
I think that went very well, guys. We're just going to leave this bit here. So, Mrs. C, I think that went very well. What do you think?
Yeah, I like the colors, yellow.
Yellow? But it was a nice surprise for Brother Maurice.
Nearly burst to tears.
I know.
He's thinking it's for us.
Yeah, he thought it was for us. But, well, there you go, Maurice. All yours. One for the Conag family.
Conag family.
Yeah.
Tuk-tuk.
The tuk-tuk. Bumblebee.
Bumblebee. We call Bumblebee.
Bumblebee. Right, well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found some sort of enjoyment in the video today. We certainly enjoyed today's video because we did some good for the family again. And it always makes me feel good and Ascension feel good when we're doing something good. So thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Thank you to the new subscribers. And also just pop over to the Facebook page, follow UK-PINAY and say hello.
Yes. Salamat po.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye.
Sabihin kung paano